everyone, my name is Jordan Diade. I'm a bachelor graduate student in interior design from Bellevue College, and I'm also an artist, but that's a whole nother topic. I was inspired to do this major because I've had an history with architecture since my childhood. I used to go to construction sites. My parents would take me to construction sites, and I saw the whole process, the whole construction process, from the foundation all the way to the completion of the building. And the way it has shaped me for my career, for the career path, is that I got to work in a multicultural environment, and I also was able to build connections with some of the people that are already professional. The one thing that I found that was most valuable is the field trip. As an interior design student, it's not only about being in a classroom, so you also get to go to construction sites. You get to places like retail, commercial, to actually see what's going on in the actual field. So field trip was that's most likely my best memory in the program. I would say public speech is probably one of it's the main challenge that I've dealt with, because as a student coming from different places, studying abroad, I had to adapt to a new environment. And so one of the challenges that I had was not to be able to express my idea through Holly. Designing, when you're into the interior design, designing is a great thing. Presenting an appealing project is one thing, but the way you give it a sense, the way you make it make sense, is another. So public speech was the struggle, and the way that I've overcame it was by working with people on campus. The campus provides some great resources when it comes to personal issues. So counseling was one of the ways that I was able to overcome it. This major has prepared me for the job market in the best ways possible. Thanks to my education, I was able to get an internship. My first internship actually happened in my country, in the Congo, in Kinshasa. I worked at the firm, which the manager is the vice president of the National Order of Architects in the Congo. So I wouldn't have not gotten into that place without doing my best in the major. The most essential skills is a software program, because in the interior design field, we're currently in a digitalized world. You need to learn about different type of software programs throughout the quarters, and because that's important. That's the only way that you get to present your work. We're not doing drafting anymore. Like, we're not drafting on papers and drawing on papers, then present the whole thing on the board. So currently the whole thing is happening on computers. You have to design on computers and then make a digital presentation of it. So software program is the most essential skills to learn. Some common career paths that I can share this field would be retail design, as well as furniture design. And you also have, there's a whole lot of paths actually. You've got set design, but I would talk about the three that I just listed. Let's say for furniture design, you would get access to work at companies such as IKEA, for those who are familiar with the brand. So you get to design furnitures, chairs, tables, beds, And as a set designer, you would get to design places such as the one that I'm in. You would get to design stages for films. You would get to design stages for music videos for artists. And so there's a whole lot, but I would say furniture design, retail design, set design, and commercial design, those are the most important fields to look at. Networking is important in this field because that's the only way that you can build credibility in the job market. And the way that I've built my professional connection was through social media. The one that is on the top list right now is LinkedIn. You get to also find out about companies that you would like to have access to. So yeah, social media is an important tool, and that's one of the best ways that you can be able to build a professional connection. Well, I would encourage the students that are interested in getting into interior design, because in the end of the day, when you graduate, you have access to a lot of fields. The only focus won't just be interior design, but you get access to several types of fields such as graphic design, retail design, you get to do hospitality, you get to work on commercial design, and yeah, thank you for having me.